So apparently, according to this guy, which I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce his name, you are the Louis Rossmann of 3D printers. That's one of the better comments I've ever had, compliments as well. I really like that. So thank you for that comment. I wanted to specifically highlight this and talk about it just briefly. Louis Rossmann is somebody I've been following for years. Maybe even before I got into 3D printing. I'm not exactly sure when I started following his videos, but Louis Rossmann, if you haven't heard of him, nice, really big channel, and he does a lot of right to repair stuff. He's helped out a whole lot of people with how to repair Apple products, and generally talks about, issues relating to this space, issues relating to where he lives in New York. I've got to see more of New York from his videos than I have anyone else's. So I really like Louis's YouTube videos. I like his content. I like the way he presents himself. And I do feel like it's similar to the way that I do it. I don't think either of us have an editing team. Obviously not me. Maybe he's done some editing. I haven't seen too much editing. I mean, I've seen a little bit of graphics and some other things. He's doing a little bit more on YouTube than I am. He at least knows how to do a thumbnail, which I'm not doing. So, but Louis, if you happen to see this somehow, I'm rooting for you. Great job on everything you've done. I hope I can become as influential as you one day with the right to repair and helping the community out. I mean, what you've done as an individual is big. So I really believe in you and your cause and everything. So good stuff there. And if someone's putting me anywhere close to this guy as far as being the type of person who films for 3D printing, then it's honestly an honor. I could only ever dream of having such a subscriber count. I wouldn't be in this position that I am now if I did. But thanks, man, for being an inspiration to me. Thank you for the comment, inspiring me to better be like Louis and give good video. I think the biggest reason he probably said that is because we both kind of just film and rant sometimes, and it might be a 20-minute video of us talking about something we don't like or talking about something we really do like. But sometimes the videos are all over the place. Sometimes it's a walk through New York City. Sometimes it's a cracked window, or sometimes it's fixing an iPhone repair or right to repair. So, same thing here. He talks about his business. He talks about his life and what's going on, and I do the same thing. So, if you somehow found this video only because of the Louis Rossmann as the tag, then and you like 3D printers, maybe my channel will be cool for you. Feel free to come in and subscribe and like things and learn about 3D printing like you learn about iPhones and other things from Louis. So thank you a lot. That's a really good compliment. I like it, and I hope with someone saying and thinking something like that, I live up to it. Louis is a great guy, and I like how he does things. But yeah, sometimes I feel like these are probably not picked. He probably didn't choose these thumbnails. But he just tosses videos up. He's good at consistency, and that was one of the things that has helped me be driven to do the way I'm do, is to just be consistent. Like, hey, I haven't done a video in a couple of days, or I haven't done a video on this that I'm thinking about that I should do a video. Just do it. Just get out, do it. I don't have any editing skills. I can film it real quick. I can upload it. I can delete the video, save the space on my phone, and make the next one. And communicating with y'all is great. And I just want to make clear that this isn't something I do for money. This is this isn't something that what is this? I was gonna show you that it shows me wow. Okay, so this just like yesterday, day before, was $30. So somehow in the last day I got a handful more views. I'm still not understanding all of this, but I don't know where. Can I zoom in? In the last 48 hours, I guess this King Rune video is doing okay at like 1,200 views. I don't get massive views or anything. Apparently this one is still growing. Last time I looked at it was 50 grand. But yeah, this, I haven't been paid out at all. This is everything I've made in like 6 months of monetizing in over 2-3 years of posting videos. So YouTube is absolutely no source of income for me. One day it might be, but you know, some people get 200,000 views on one video. I've got 300 videos, you know, and those views are literally on the 3 top videos. And you know, and I kind of get some of the algorithm and what gets people to come to this, but guys, you know, I show you the back end. I'm not here to I'm not here to hide anything, and that's kind of the point. Is this the end of 3D printing? And that's made me $35, so cool. That's more that's cool, because that's the most I've seen this at, so I am happy, but at the same time, it's, you know, it's your transaction revenue. Super thanks. Oh, see, someone gifted me $35. See, that's where that came from. I think that's what happened. Man, I have no idea what this is. Anyways, to whoever donated some money to me, thank you so much. I didn't realize that was even a thing that you could do on YouTube, so super cool. You know, that at least pays for a dinner for the family. But yeah, you know, I just want to show this because I'm transparent. Like, I'm not trying to fool anyone or have you think that I'm doing anything that I'm not. But yeah, you know, thank you so much for the comment. Thank you, Louis Rossman, for doing great stuff, and I hope to live up to you know, what Louis Rossman has created and how he's doing it. And I believe right now he's moving. I just watched a video from him where it was his last stepping into his apartment that he's moving out of. So I hope the best for you on your move, buddy, and I wholly expect that you're going to be making a lot more money in a new location with less overhead, and you'll be able to supply even more people with repaired phones and save a lot of people money, headache, hassle, data, by not having to go to Apple and get screwed over by them just telling you need a new phone and we can't save your data, and you know, your battery's unplugged, but everything needs to be, you know. He's done some excellent videos, so good work, guys. I appreciate it a lot, and I will continue to make this. If you watch my other videos, it is a tough time for my company right now, and a lot of things are changing. So if you somehow have just made this video from Louis and you're still here at the end of the video, you know that it's a challenging time for me, and we will see what happens. So the next few videos and weeks are going to be really important to see how I make changes to keep this company alive, or make changes so that I can make sure that the electricity is still on at my house. But this is in no way me asking for money. None of you need to donate anything. That's not what this is going on for. This is just, I show the good, I show the bad, I show the ups, I show the downs. You know, if you're wanting to get into 3D printing, I want you to see the challenges that I'm going through so you can not go through those challenges. So that's kind of the point. So thanks, guys. Have a good night, good morning, day. I think it's still bright outside, right? And yeah, you know, this has been an okay morning so far, and my hopes are high. So we'll see what happens and continues as this progresses, guys. So looking forward to the future, looking forward to what I can do to make changes, and I've done some of that, and you can watch my other videos to learn more about my current predicament and you know, what I'm doing to address that. But I just wanted to, you know, this could have been a 1-minute video, I guess, but the Louis Rossman of 3D printers, like, nice. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.